The benefits of apple cider vinegar and what you need to know about this fabulous food. Please like, share, and subscribe. Apple cider vinegar has been used as a health aid for thousands of years. It's filled with antibacterial and antifungal properties. Due to its fermentation process, it also contains beneficial enzymes and good bacteria, all of which may help with a plethora of health issues. Apple cider vinegar can slow glucose production and absorption. It potentially can improve insulin function and lower blood sugar levels after meals. Of course, the best way to keep sugar levels under control is to avoid refined sugars and eat complex carbohydrates in moderation. And always, seek treatment from your doctor. Some studies have shown that an intake of apple cider vinegar can increase satiety, helping you eat fewer calories, therefore leading to shedding a few pounds. A study of 175 people with obesity took apple cider daily, resulting in decreased belly fat. Heart disease is the world's most common cause of premature death. It is suggested that a daily intake of apple cider vinegar can reduce blood pressure, therefore decreasing heart disease risk factors. And due to its probiotic properties, it can soothe digestive upset. Apple cider vinegar possesses antibacterial and antifungal properties, potentially treating such ailments as nail fungus, warts, ear infections, sore throats, bad breath, and promote overall good oral health. Its antibacterial properties can also treat acne-prone skin while balancing its pH levels. Due to apple cider vinegar's natural acidity, it could alter the pH of your scalp, making it no longer a dandruff-friendly zone. This acidic nature can also eliminate stains and whiten teeth. However, use in moderation due to apple cider vinegar affecting tooth enamel from prolonged use. Apple cider vinegar also has anti-inflammatory properties, helping to fade bruises. And it also contains potassium and enzymes, which may help boost low energy levels. For most symptoms, drink an 8-ounce glass of water mixed with 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar 30 minutes prior to breakfast, lunch, and/or dinner. For skin problems, dilute apple cider vinegar in water and apply to freshly cleansed skin. Ensure your cider's label states it contains the probiotic-rich mother to fully enjoy the benefits of this amazing food. And of course, if you have any of the above symptoms or illness, consult a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.